Welcome to my YouTube channel. So we need to have a code. So to have this bird, you need to guess what's the code. And you will have this. See, the code must be giving this. I love it so much. This is my first time to have this. And look, it's so cute. Also, we're flying. You need to guess the code. Treat birdie 2020. Okay? Treat bird 2020. That's the code. You need to read it. Treat. Oh, there's another one. So you need to guess what it is. Don't forget it. If you forgot it, the code will be gone. Because this is my first time. Because I see in the YouTube, I saw and I copied this so in the paper, so I remember. Look, I can fly. Oh, this is so cute. That's the code. Treat birdie 2020. Okay, treat bird 2020. You do that, and you will got this cute thing. Say, look, this is the owner of the game, and this is the very cool. It's not in the pets, but it's in here. You use that, and if you're going to stop, you do that, and you stop. And if you're going to show them, you go. Like that. It's very, very cute, actually. And also, it made me earn a lot of money. Oh, no, I never seen that. So, I'm going to change by all so much. What? That's quick. Oh, this is so cute. And you go here. I think I can reach it more. Go here. See? You go there and I earn a lot of money now. That's how you got that. I love the bird. Look how cute it is. Oh, I love it. Even him, he likes his birdie. Treat birdie 2020. You search that, okay? So you can have the right code. Because I guess what is that, and they got me the code. You click that and you search that, okay? And this is a VIP. Oh, the jelly thing. You can write in your jelly thing if this one. Oh my god, this is so expensive. It's a VIP. Whoa, it's so cute. And also, this one is very cute. Actually, I know the code. You need to guess. Treat birdie 2020. Okay, don't forget it in real life. If you forgot it, you will be sad, and you will not get this. You need to click on this, the blue thing, not the code thing. You press that, and you got it. Because this one is like readable thing. So, and this is the what? But I don't need to have it. And I got. Whoa, how did he do that? You need to get grass. Oh my god, that's so quick. Oh my god, I think this birdie is magical. I love that birdie so much. You can buy this. Okay. Oh no, our money's zero. Look how cute this birdie. Oh, I love birdie. Oh, look how cute it is. Oh my god, everyone likes to get this. Yeah, everyone likes to get this birdie thing. So, if you already have that knife, you can go there. Still not be there. Everyone likes to get this because it's part of the hard code. This is a hard code. You will guess what it is. Oh, this is cute. You get this thing. Look. Oh, look at that thing. Oh, they're cute. Treat birdie 2020 is cute. That's his name. Okay, that's why I name it Birdie. So Birdie, let's go somewhere else and no one will get us. Oh, look how cute it was. I never have this in my life. I just earn a lot of money. Oh, I don't have enough money. This is very funny. Earn a lot of money, but I didn't get it. So, oh, this is so fast. This is fast game restaurant. Nope, it's not a game restaurant. Earn me a lot of money. Earn me a lot of money. Oh no, there's K. Oh, it is big and so fast. Oh my god. I love it. How did you went there? Look at my birthday thing. Loser. Oh, look how cute it was. I think I need to say that one. So because I'm giving codes away. So I need to tell the code. And that's why it will look cool if you write it. If you write it, you look cool. Look how cute it was. Look, wings. Look at the wings. Super big. Look at the mouth. It don't look better. I think it looked better now. Look at the mouth. It look cute. Look at the eyeballs. Oh. Guess what the code is? They have this. Why? Why only VIP only have that? But I don't have any Robux. And you got sell grass. Okay, you go somewhere else to earn money. Okay. What? 30,000K? That's impossible. Oh, they are so cute. Oh, Birdie is so cute and so cool. Birdie. Oh, look how cute is Birdie. He's more cuter than everybody. Why only VIP have that, but the poor people here are so sad they don't have this. So I need to talk about this. Oh, I need to tell everybody about this. Look how poor people are. They didn't have this because they only like this to have. Even her, she likes this because she's keep on walking and she's tired. And you need to tell everybody about the codes because you need to be so kind. Oh, look how poor people are there. Oh, I want to play with them. Okay, you sell? Oh, look how poor people likes. Oh, poor people likes everything, but they can't even buy stuff. Their money is so slow. That's why. Oh wait. Oh, I found the money thing. This one is you need the group. This pet needs a group. This one is a group. The white pet is a group. That's a group. You need to group about the pink thing there. That's the owner of the game. But this one is the maker of the game. Where's he? Oh, there. He's writing that. And this one is a group that made it's like have Robux. And it's so cool. Whoa, what's that? That looked like an airplane. Oh, I think everyone likes this more because look how many people likes it. They like to make it. Oh, so I'm going to give away all the codes. It's Birdie. It's treat Birdie 2020. Okay, don't forget that. Because if you forget that, it will be gone tomorrow. It will be gone tomorrow. Okay, it will be gone tomorrow. And you will get sad if you do this tomorrow. If you do this tomorrow, you can actually go here. You can actually went here because something is going on this game. Oh, I like this game now. It's my first time playing this game, and I guess what's the code? What's this? Ooh, can we drop it? Oh! No! Are you kidding? I need to go down. There's some grass. Okay. She got that. Oh my god, it make me earn a lot of money. Dude, I actually likes this. Oh, look at Birdie. He's very, very cute. If you forgot the code tomorrow, sorry, it will be gone forever. You need any, it will get another code. And look how cute is the birdie. I never had this in my life. Oh, look how cute it is. Oh, wow, there's a king thing. Oh, what's that? That's a king. What level are you? Oh, level 1? Oh. Woohoo! Treat party! 2020! You fell first? And look how cool your skin was. Oh, look how cute it is! I want to buy his cheeks in real life. Oh. Well, how much is this? Wait, what? Oh, my flowers. Oh, I need a flower? This. Oh, it's money. Oh! Oh, look how cute it is. This is more pretty. Okay. What? It makes too much money. Oh, this is so cute. I never have this in my life. Oh, this is very cute. Look how cute it is. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love it. I never guessed the code here before. Because before I was guessing the code and I forgot. That's why a long time ago I searched that. And it accessed and I changed my account. And now I forgot. Now I think of it. Now I know. Yeah. Oh my god. That was close. I changed my account. That's why. I almost forgot it. Tomorrow it will be gone. Oh, search it quickly. Faster. After tomorrow it will change. This is a cute birdie thing. Oh my god, this is a very, very pro. I forgot to press it. And I press it, but I just changed my name. Now I have it. Yeah, let's dance. Look, whoa, it make a huge tornado. Ah! Oh, I feel bad for people just walking. I think I want to give them something. That's why you need to search it. If you know how to read and spell, you can actually do this. You need to do the code because you need to read it. So, and you'll hear it. Okay? Okay. And treat birdie 2020. That's the code. Don't forget tomorrow. Tomorrow it will be gone. Please watch this. If you didn't watch it, it will be gone.